In this demonstration, you will learn how to create a form by using the Form Wizard, and then customize it in Design View. Let's start by creating a form. On the Objects bar, click Forms to display the shortcuts available for creating a form. Double-click the shortcut Create Form by using Wizard to invoke the Form Wizard. In the Wizard dialog box, select the Publishers table from the list of tables and queries. You see a list of fields in the Publishers table in the Available Fields list. Add all the fields to the form and click Next to continue. Accept the default layout for the form and click Next to continue. Accept the default style for the form and click Next to continue. The wizard prompts you to type a title for the form. Type New Publisher's Data Entry and click Finish to view the form in Form View. You see the form generated by the wizard. Let's customize the form. Open the form in Design View by clicking the View button on the toolbar. Customize the layout of the form by moving the labels and text box controls. Increase the length of the text box controls to fit the contents. Let's view the form in Form View. Next, let's set the properties of the form to prevent the user from deleting and modifying records in the table. Open the form in Design View and set the properties of the form. Right-click the form selector and click Properties. In the Properties dialog box, select the All tab to display all form properties. Set the Allow Edits and Allow Deletions properties to No. To prevent the user from selecting a record, set the Record Selectors property to No. Set the Dividing Lines property to hide the lines that divide the sections. Set the Scroll Bars property to Neither to hide the vertical and horizontal scroll bars. Now let's view the form in Form View. Let's add some color to the form. Switch to Design View and increase the size of the form header section. Right-click the section selector of the form header. In the shortcut menu, point to Fill Back Color and select Blue. Let's also add a logo to the header section. On the toolbox, click Image. Move to the header section and draw an image control. When you release the mouse button, you see the Insert Picture dialog box. Select a logo file name and click OK. Next, let's add a title, a date, and a time to the form. Add a label to the header section and type a suitable title. Set the font properties of the text box to make it visible. Set the For Color property to white. The Font Size property to 10, and the Font Weight property to bold. On the Insert menu, click Date and Time. In the Date and Time dialog box, click OK to accept the default formats. You see a control added to the header section. Set its For Color to white and switch to Form View to view the changes you made. You see the completed form for adding new publisher records, and this completes this demonstration on creating and customizing a form.